Welcome to today's new adventure, where we spill the beans and a whole lot of other brain-boosting goodies on the fantastic world of cognitive foods. We will reveal the secrets behind how certain food can turn your brain into a powerhouse of cognitive brilliance. So if you've ever wondered how to munch your way to mental mastery, stick around because we are about to sprinkle some wisdom on your neural pathways. The brain is an organ that is so complex and very intricate, it's been referred to as the most sophisticated device in the known universe. Its power is immense, controlling every function of our body and influencing our overall health. From regulating our heartbeats to processing emotions, from guiding our movements to shaping our thoughts, the brain is at the helm, making us who we are. But what if we could influence this power through meals and treats? What if our daily meals were more than just a source of energy and could also fuel our brain's abilities? Cognitive foods, or brain foods, are those that contain specific nutrients known to enhance brain function. Think of it like the high-octane fuel for your brain's engine, helping it run more efficiently and effectively. Not only just to fill your stomach, they feed your brain, making it sharper, faster, and more receptive to information. This concept isn't as new as you might think. For centuries, societies around the world have recognized the connection between diet and cognition. The ancient Greeks believed in the power of a balanced diet for a healthy mind, while traditional Chinese medicine has long championed certain foods for their brain-boosting properties. In the modern era, this understanding has evolved into a science. Researchers have conducted experiments using advanced technology to monitor the brain's response to different foods. They've found that certain nutrients can indeed improve cognitive function, aiding memory, concentration, and even creativity. Some of these cognitive foods are like natural medicines. Take, for example, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish. These are known to enhance brain function, similar to how Adderall works for those with attention deficit issues, just without the side effects. The brain is our command center, and what we feed it matters. The study of cognitive foods is not as new as you might think. It all began in the early 20th century. At the forefront of this revolutionary concept were a few insightful pioneers who dared to explore the fascinating link between what we eat and how our brains function. One of the trailblazers was Dr. Wilder Penfield, a neurosurgeon who, in the early 1900s, began to map out the human brain. His work was instrumental in revealing that our brain's health and performance were directly influenced by our nutrition. As the years passed, this field of research began to garner more attention. Scientists started to delve deeper into the relationship between diet and cognitive function. They unearthed that certain foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals could enhance brain health and mental faculties. The advent of innovative technologies in the late 20th century propelled this research even further. With the development of neuroimaging techniques like MRI and PET scans, researchers could now study the brain's response to different foods in real time. Take, for instance, the groundbreaking work of Dr. Fernando Gomez-Pinilla, a neuroscientist at UCLA. His research showed that a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids could enhance cognitive function and even repair brain damage. His studies, along with others, have helped us understand that our brains are not just what we think but also what we eat. But it's not just about the foods that boost our brain power. The research also extends to those foods that could have a detrimental effect on our cognitive health. Foods high in refined sugars, for example, have been linked to impaired brain function, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Frequent consumption of heavily processed and sodium-rich foods, such as certain ready-made meals like instant ramen and fast food items, may contribute to suboptimal brain function. Additionally, a diet high in artificial additives and preservatives found in some packaged snacks like potato chips can potentially impair cognitive health. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods over these processed alternatives can be a proactive step towards maintaining a healthier and more responsive brain. So, you see, the study of cognitive foods is not just about identifying brain-boosting superfoods. It's about understanding the intricate relationship between our diets and our minds, and how one influences the other. As our understanding of the brain evolved, so did our studies into the foods that fuel it. Now let us explore the intricate science behind our brains, uncovering the fascinating interplay between the food we consume and its profound impact on the chemicals and structure that shape our thinking. Our brain is responsible for every thought, emotion, and memory we experience. It's a complex network of neurons, all of which are fueled by the nutrients we consume. Certain foods and their impact on our mental capacities is truly fascinating. Back to omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon and walnuts. These essential fats are known to boost brain health by improving cell membrane health and reducing inflammation. They are crucial for memory, mental performance, and behavioral function. In fact, studies have shown that people with high levels of omega-3s have sharper minds and tend to perform better on mental skills tests. Then we have flavonoids, compounds found in blueberries, dark chocolate, and citrus fruits. These powerful antioxidants protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can damage cells. By doing so, flavonoids may slow brain aging and enhance memory and learning. Another cognitive food star is turmeric, a spice used in curry dishes. Turmeric contains curcumin, a chemical that crosses the blood-brain barrier and has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It's been linked to improved memory and mood, and studies suggest it could help stave off Alzheimer's disease. And let's not forget about caffeine and L-theanine, natural substances found in coffee and green tea. Caffeine boosts brain function by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel tired, thus enhancing focus and alertness. L-theanine, on the other hand, increases the activity of the neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also increases dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain, promoting relaxation without causing drowsiness. And just to extend our understanding of eating and our brain health a bit further, we can add that during fasting periods the body undergoes metabolic changes, promoting the production of ketones, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. Ketones have been associated with improved cognitive function, increased neuroplasticity, and enhanced memory. Moreover, fasting triggers the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and maintenance of neurons, promoting overall brain health. This intermittent challenge to the body's energy balance appears to stimulate adaptive responses that contribute to better cognitive performance and neuroprotection. Neuroprotection is like a shield for the brain, to preserve nerve cells, safeguarding them from damage and promoting overall brain health. By incorporating the right foods into our diet, or the time we are eating between meals, we're nourishing our minds, enhancing our cognitive abilities, and potentially protecting ourselves from neurodegenerative diseases. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of cognitive foods is more recognized than ever. This recognition is not accidental but the result of rigorous research and numerous scientific breakthroughs. With technology at our fingertips, we've been able to delve deeper into the brain's intricate workings, unveiling the profound effect certain foods can have on our cognitive performance. We've come to understand that foods rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins, and minerals provide energy and aid in protecting against brain diseases. Foods such as blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, oranges, eggs, green tea, and coffee are being hailed as cognitive superfoods. And additionally, managing conditions like attention deficit disorders. In fact, some of these cognitive foods are now being compared to natural medicines, referring back to green tea and coffee, both rich in caffeine and antioxidants. And our dark chocolate with its rich antioxidant content is found to be good for the brain, improving memory and slowing down age-related mental decline. The application of cognitive foods in our daily lives has never been easier. With the convenience of online platforms, we can now access a wealth of information on brain-healthy recipes, incorporate cognitive superfoods into our meals, and even track the impact on our cognitive functions. This modern-day application of cognitive foods signifies a broader shift in our health priorities. We are moving away from a singular focus on physical health, to a more holistic approach that recognizes the importance of brain health. We are beginning to understand that our brain health and cognitive performance are as critical to our well-being as our physical health. In recognizing the power of cognitive foods, we're taking control of our brain health. We're making conscious choices to understand that our meals, snacks, and time in between each of those can be our most potent medicine, and we're using this knowledge to fuel our journey towards better health and sharper minds. With the importance of brain health coming to the forefront, what does the future hold? As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the potential for advancements in cognitive food research is immense. We're entering an era where the foods we consume will no longer be seen merely as fuel for our bodies, but as vital components for optimizing our brain health. Think of a time where it would be normal for your morning smoothie to not only wake you up, but also sharpen your memory. Or a lunch that doesn't just satisfy your hunger, but also enhances your ability to focus. Envision a dinner that aids in your mental recovery and rejuvenation. This could very well be the future of eating, As scientists and researchers continue to unravel the complex relationship between our diets and our brains, the emphasis on brain health is beginning to shift our understanding of overall well-being. As we become more aware of the intricate connections between the mind and body, we're realizing that taking care of our brains is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This means that cognitive foods may soon occupy a central place in our diets, much like fruits and vegetables do today. But as with any scientific endeavor, continued research and understanding are key. We need to keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, asking questions, and seeking answers. We need to explore the uncharted territories of the brain-food connection, and we need to do it with an open mind and a healthy dose of skepticism. The future is about developing a holistic approach to well-being that considers the health of both our bodies and brains. It's about recognizing that our mental health is as important as our physical health, and that what we eat can have profound effects on both. As we continue to explore the power of cognitive foods, one thing is certain: our brains are just as important as our bodies, if not more so. It's time we gave them the attention they deserve.